Hello everyone, welcome to Spanish Classes Online. Today's session is dedicated to Spanish regular verbs in present tense. We will conjugate verbs, see the relation with the subject, that agreement, and later we have a small exercise to practice all Spanish regular verbs here. So let's see what happens in the class. Welcome to the classroom. This is session number 6 here in Spanish Classes Online. Today we are going to do Spanish regular verbs, their conjugations in present tense. But before that, you all have to know what are subject pronouns in Spanish. The link is given in the description, you can check from there. Subject pronouns in Spanish. In Spanish we have set of regular verbs. Spanish regular verbs. And here we have 3 categories to define it. First category is the verbs ending with AR. We can see Spanish verbs are categorized in 3 parts. First category is AR ending Spanish verbs. Second, ER ending Spanish verbs. And third category is IR ending Spanish verbs. Or we can say we can identify Spanish verbs if we look at the endings AR, ER and IR endings. Now we will start with AR ending Spanish verbs and their conjugations. You can see these are subject pronouns. Already we have done in last session. If you have missed it, you can go through the link given in the description box. See, these are subject pronouns. Subject pronouns, we have these first 3. These are singular subject pronouns. These 3 are plural subject pronouns. And in total there are 6 subject pronoun sets. First person, second person, third person, singular, and first person, second person and third person plural. These are plural subject pronouns and singular subject pronouns. And respectively we have conjugated the verb in 6 forms. Those are written. You can see these are known as conjugations of the verb. There are total 6 conjugations given below. We can see if we have any verb, we have to drop something. Like hablar, in hablar we have to drop AR, we drop it, and later we have to add something. What we have to add? We have to look. You can see in the box there are some suffixes written. I'm writing also here. O, as, a, amos, ais, an. Singular first, second, third. Plural first, second, third. These are suffixes used after dropping AR from the verbs. Now check the box. Suppose I have taken hablar. So after dropping we have added O, as, a in red, amos, ais, an in red, in singular and plural. Total 6 we can see here. These are singular, 3 first person, second person, and third person, and these are singular ones, and these are first person, second person, and third person plural conjugations. Finally, we can say we have 6 conjugations of any Spanish verb. For example, we have taken hablar and conjugated as hablo, hablas, habla, hablamos, hablais, hablan. First, second, third person singular, first, second, third person plural. Now, we will have some examples, and according to this, we are going to conjugate. See, we have seen o, as, a, amos, ais, an. So in that way we are going to put here. For example, we have taken andar, drop ar and add suffixes. Before that we have to write ending, root word of the verb. Drop ar and write and 6 times, because we are going to have 6 conjugations. See, we have to repeat, we have to write all the ending suffixes: o, as, a, amos, ais with accent, an. Ando, andas, anda, andamos, andais, andan. Second example is kantar. We have to drop ar and suffixes. But before that, write all root words. Root word is cant. You write. We have to write this. Canto, cantas, canta, cantamos. We have to erase it. cant. I'm writing root words again. Root word is cant, 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 cant. Later, add suffixes in blue color: o, as, a, amos, ais, an. Canto, cantas, canta, cantamos, cantais, cantan. We have done cantar. Taking another verb, that is bailar. Here also we have to drop ar and add suffixes. But first of all, write root word bail 6 times. Bail, 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 bail. How do we get bile? Dropping ar, then we are getting bile. Add suffixes in blue. What do we get? O, as, a, amos, ais with accent, an. You can read it again: bailo, bailas, baila, bailamos, bailais, bailan. See, one more example we are going to do. That is estudiar. Drop ar, add suffixes. I think you have memorized all suffixes till now. Write root word estudi, 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 estudi. This is root word of the verb estudiar. Estudi. Now add suffixes in blue: o, as, a, amos, ais with accent, an. Read: estudio, estudias, estudia, estudiamos, estudiais, estudian. We can see accent points. Fifth conjugation. Andais, cantais, bailais, estudiais. These are accent points. Now come to ER ending Spanish verbs. This is second category of the verb. What do we do here in ER ending verbs? You know subject pronouns. You have to check session number 5 also, and you can get the link from the description. Yo, tú, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. First, second, third person singular. First, second, third person in plural. This is first person, yo, first person, tú, second person, ella, usted. That comes under third person. This is third person. Now, nosotros, first person plural. Vosotros, second person plural. And ellos, ellas, ustedes under third person plural. Come to another side, comer. Comer is an example of ER ending verb. Here we have to drop ER and add suffixes. O is a singular, amos, is with accent, en, plural. Total 6. First, second, third person singular, first, second, third person plural. See, check the box. Suffixes are written in red. Como, comes, come, comemos, comeis, comen. First, second, third person singular, and como is first person, comes second person conjugation, come third person conjugation. Rest 3, these are plural conjugations. First person singular, plural, second person plural, third person plural. So we have 6 conjugations: como, comes, come, comemos, comeis, comen. These are 6 conjugations. Let's have some examples to practice. These are 4 ER ending Spanish regular verbs. Same thing we have to repeat. You have to drop ER, pick the root word, write it 6 times, and then add suffixes. So start beber, drop ER, add suffixes. Root word is beb, beb 6 times, beb, 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 beb. Oh, add. What we will add? O is a, these are suffixes, amos, a is with accent, en. Bebo, bebes, bebe, bebemos, bebeis, beben. Take another verb. Aprender. Drop er from here and add suffixes. What are suffixes? We have to write a root word first 6 times. Aprend, 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 aprend 6 times. Aprend, aprend. Add suffixes. Those are in red color. See, O, es, a, amos, a is with accent, en. I'm reading aprendo, aprendes, aprende, aprendemos, aprendéis, aprenden. 6 conjugations. Take vender. Drop er, add suffixes. But before that, write root word 6 times. Vend, vend, bend, bend, Actually, V and B are similar sounds. That's why I'm reading bend. Add suffixes O, es, a, emos, eis with accent, en. Bendo, bendes, bende, vendemos, bendeis, benden. Next, romper. Romper, drop er, add suffixes. Get the root word R-O-M-P, romp. 6 times romp, 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 romp. If R comes in the beginning of the word in Spanish, we pronounce as like double R. That's why I'm reading it romp. Add suffixes rompo, rompes, rompe, rompemos, rompeis, rompen. We'll read it like this. This is fourth verb. ER ending verb, beber. Read bebo, bebes, bebe, bebemos, bebeis, beben. Reading. Second, aprender. Read it. Aprendo. Aprendes, aprende. Aprendemos, aprendéis, aprenden. Vender. Vendo, vendes, vende. Vendemos, vendéis, venden. Romper. Rompo, rompes, rompe. Rompemos, rompéis, rompen. See, I'm highlighting stars. These are accent points of the verbs. Fifth conjugation with nosotros. We have accent on E. Now come to our third category, that is IR ending verbs. We are going to repeat everything in same way, but we have to remember the suffixes. Subjects, pronouns already we have done, and I'm revising it. I'm telling it again. That link is given in the description. If you want to learn about subject pronouns, you can go through once. Now we will conjugate IR ending verbs. See, I've taken one example, that is vivir. See, yo, tú, él, ella, usted. This is singular, first person, second person, third person. And nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. This is plural subject pronoun. Yo is first person, as usual we did. Second person, tú, second person. Él, ella, usted in third person. Nosotros is third person, first person singular, plural. Vosotros, second person plural. And ellos, ellas, ustedes, third person plural. See, in conjugations, again, vivir is IR ending verb. We have to drop IR from it, and after dropping we have to add suffixes. What are suffixes? O, S, A, first, second, third person singular. Emos, this is different point from ER ending verb. Is with accent, N. Emos is N, plural. O is A singular. Emos is N, plural. Now see, let's do now conjugation. Vivo, vives, vive, vivimos, vivis, viven. First three singular, first person singular. Vivo, vives, second person singular. Vive, third person singular. Last three, these are plural. Vivimos, first person plural. Vivis with accent, second person plural. Viven, third person plural. We have accent on vivis, on I. Fifth conjugations. See, we'll have some examples now. Come and practice. I have chosen 4 verbs. Examples: abrir, recibir, escribir, subir. See, abrir. IR ending verb, drop IR, add suffixes. What are those? First of all, we have to write root word ABR 6 times ABR. When we drop IR, we get this root word. ABR 6 times. And later we have to add suffixes for it. O, es, a, emos, is with accent, en. Abro, abres, abre, abrimos, abrís, abren. Second verb is recibir. Higher ending verb, drop it, add suffixes. But before that, you write root word. Receive, 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 receive. 6 times. Receive. Yeah. And add O, es, a, emos, is with accent, en. Recibo, recibes, recibe, recibimos, recibís, reciben. Third verb is escribir. Higher ending, drop it, add suffixes. But before that, write root word. That is escribe. Escribe. 6 times we are going to write. Escribe. 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 We have 6 conjugations, that's why we are writing it 6 times. Now add suffixes in blue. Escribo, o, es, a, emos, is with accent, en. Escribo, escribes, escribe, escribimos, escribís, escriben. Next, subir. Higher ending verb, drop it, add suffixes. But before that, we have to write root word. Root word is sub. 6 times. Sub, 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 sub. Add suffixes now. O, es, a, emos, is with accent, en. Read it. Subo, subes, sube, subimos, subis, suben. One thing we can see, I'm putting stars on 5th conjugations everywhere because these are accent points. We have accent on I. So you have to remember. In regular higher ending verbs, we put accents on I in 5th conjugation. So higher ending verbs got over. We have 3 categories: AR ending, ER ending, IR ending. Have a look from the beginning. Let's go. See what happens. Revision is important. That's why we have to revise it again from the beginning. See, subject pronouns, you already know. First, second, third person, singular and plural. And we have 3 categories: AR ending verb, AR ending verb, ER ending verbs, and IR ending verbs. You can see I'm highlighting AR, and IR ending verbs. These 3 categories we will do. I'll put highlights so you keep on watching and practicing. See, first part is subject pronouns. Yo, tú, ella, usted, you can see in blue. Nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. And this hablar is the verb. It means to speak. Hablar means to speak, and hablar is AR ending verb. After conjugation, what happens? We get 6 forms of the verbs. Those are hablo, hablas, habla, hablamos, hablais, hablan. And meaning changes. Yo hablo becomes I speak, because yo means I. Yo hablo, I speak. Tú means second person. I speak, yo hablo, I speak. Tú hablas. Tú means second person, you. You speak. Tú hablas is you speak. Means if you know subject pronouns and conjugations, easily you are framing a simple sentence. Ella usted habla. El means he, ella means she, and usted means formal you. So he or she speaks. You can write like this. Nosotros hablamos. Nosotros means we all. Hablar means to speak. To speak. We all speak. Next, vosotros. Vosotros habláis means you all speak. Highlighted part got translated in blue. Ellas, ustedes hablan. They speak. They speak. AR ending verbs. Subject pronouns and conjugated verbs is meaningful, and the translation is given in blue. Now come to ER ending verb. AR ending verb examples. Ando, andas, anda, andamos, andais, andan. Canto, cantas, canta, cantamos, cantáis, cantan. Bailo, bailas, baila, bailamos, bailáis, bailan. Estudio, estudias, estudia. I'm writing it again. Wait. Estudio, estudias, estudia, estudiamos, estudiáis with accent, estudian. The same thing we did. Andais, cantáis, bailáis, fifth conjugation with accent. See, andar, AR ending verb. It means to walk. Ando means first person, I walk. Andas, you walk. Anda, he, she walks. Andamos, we all walk. Andais, you all walk. Andan, they walk. Cantar means to sing. To sing. Canto becomes I sing. You sing. He, she sings. Cantamos, we all sing. Cantáis, you all sing. Cantan, they all sing. Next, bailar means to dance. To dance. Bailo, I dance. Bailas, you dance. Baila, he, she dances. Bailamos, we all dance. Bailais, you all dance. Bailais, they dance. Estudiar, to study. Estudiar, to study. Estudio, I study. Estudias, you study. Estudia, he, she studies. Estudiamos, we all study. Estudiáis, you all study. Estudian, they all study. AR ending examples got over. Now come to ER ending verbs. We have to go once in same way as we did earlier. Comer is the verb here. Comer is, you can see this is ER ending verb. And what does it mean? Comer means to eat. Already written there. Comer, to eat. After conjugations we get 6 forms, and respectively subject pronouns and conjugations. I'm highlighting it and translating it again. Yo como, I eat. Tú comes, you eat. Él, ella, usted come. He, she eats. You will get meaning of usted later. Nosotros comemos, we all eat. We all eat. Vosotros coméis, you all eat. Ellos, ellas, ustedes comen. Ellos, ellas, ustedes comen. They all eat. You know, usted means aap in Hindi, you formal, and ustedes means you all formal. But we put it in third person and conjugation also. So, ustedes comen means you all eat, but in formal. See, ER ending examples. Now we'll get the meanings and respective translations. Beber means to drink. Bebo. Bebo means I drink. Aprender becomes, it means to learn. Third is vender. Vender means to sell. A romper, to break. Check the conjugations. Bebo, I drink. Bebes, you drink. Bebe, he, she drinks. Bebemos, we all drink. Bebeis, you all drink. Beben, they all drink. Aprendo, I drink, I learn. Aprendes, you learn. Aprende, he, she learns. Aprendemos, we all learn. Aprendéis, you all learn. Aprenden, they all learn. Vendo, I sell. Vendes, you sell. Vende, he, she sells. Vendemos, we all sells. Vendéis, you all sells. Venden, they all sell. Sell, okay? Not sells. Rompo, I break. Rompes, you break. Rompe, he, she breaks. Rompemos, we all break. Rompeis, you all break. Rompen, they all break. Break something. See, we have some. Now we have IR ending verbs. We can see vivir is an IR ending verb. In IR ending verbs, what do we do? Vivir means, this is third category. Vivir means to live. Already it is written below. To live. After conjugation, what happens? We get 6 forms. And they are different in meanings also. See, 6 forms. Yo vivo means I live. Next, tu vives means you live. Next, él, ella, usted vive. Él, ella, usted vive means he, she lives. Usted vive means you formal live. This is formal one. Nosotros vivimos, we all live. We all live. Vosotros vivís means you all live. You live. You all live. Next, ellos, ellas, ustedes viven means they all live. Ustedes viven means you all live, but informal. Formal. आप सब, as we use in Hindi. Ellos, ellas, ustedes. See, get some more examples. The verbs, meanings, and translation of the conjugations. Abrir means to open. Abrir, to open. Recibir, to receive. escribir, to write. Subir, subir means to climb up. Conjugations of andar. Abro means I open. Abres, you open. Abre, he, she opens. Abrimos, we all open. Abris, you all open. Abren, they all open. Recibir means to receive. Recibo, I receive. Recibes, you receive. Recibe, he, she receives. Recibimos, we all receive. Recibis, you all receive. Reciben, they all receive. Escribo, to write. Escribi, I write. Escribes, you write. Escribe, he, she writes. Escribimos, we all write. Escribis, you all write. Escriben, they all write. Subir, to go up. Subo, I climb. Subes, you climb. Sube, he, she climbs. Subimos, we all climb. Subis, you all climb. Suben, they all climb. These are meanings of the conjugations. We have learned three categories: AR, ER, IR ending verbs, their respective 6 conjugations, subject pronouns, and agreement. So this agreement is important also. So this sequence you could not miss. If you miss it, you will miss many things. We have done many things. You can see we have done Spanish, regular, I'm writing, verbs, AR ending, ER ending, IR ending. And their conjugations. And one more thing you have to keep in mind, that we are putting other lectures in sequence. If you like this video, like it, and the one who are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe it. And if you want alerts, press the bell icon, and you leave your comments so that we can bring the material you want. Thanks for watching. See you very soon. Other verbs, and thanks from the team. Thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed the class. You may write your comments. You may ask if you have any query. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.